folks, I have a little scout to show you today. This is number 781, and it's Redwood and Walnut. The back and sides come from some walnut from the D Mill down the road from us. This is a local tree, and I used walnut for fretboard, head plate, and bridge. Little red oak binding on there to tie it up. And then these are some redwood pieces I got from another luthier. Too small to be guitar tops, but working pretty good for this. And then a little bit of old school fir for the neck. Pretty cool. 781. It's going out to the scout list right now. Cheers.